Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Corsair FRAME 5000D modular PC case. So friend, Corsair announced the modular PC case that built on FRAME 4000D by offering significantly more internal space and for bigger and more complex build, and it is available in black and white color option and support the latest hardware including large graphics card and that can be mounted vertically with riser cable, and it also with reverse connector motherboard like Asus BTF, MSI Project Zero, and which are becoming popular in newer design and other standard features in the InfiniRail Fan Mounting System. This let you position 120 mm, 140, 160, and even 200 mm fans for adjustable range and to get the best airflow setup for your components. In the case comes with for 140 mm RS fan and either with standard and customizable ARGB lighting, and these fans are set up to 3 intake fan at the front and 1 exhaust fan on the back, and using daisy-chainable PWM connector for easier wiring and magnetic bearing to keep noise level down. And inside the frame 5000D offers space for 6 2.5-inch SSD and 2 3.5-inch HDD, and the drive trays can be removed if you want to create more room for custom liquid cooling and better cable management. And it also includes a GPU Anti-Sag Arm that support heavy graphics card to prevent damage and stress on the motherboard. And overall the case is more than 30% bigger than the 4000D. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.